taking this off right here, the driver's door handle. This is probably the most complicated one to wrap because of this lock key right here, and then because of what's underneath and the sensor that's right here. All right, so first things first, you want to take off this, and this. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off first. Kind of just pops right out. It's not something crazy. This right here comes right out. I think y'all seen me take this out before in one of my previous videos. You disconnect these like that. Let's go ahead to the side. All right, this part right here comes out. Pretty much just pull on this tab that's right here. Comes out, and then you want to make sure that this right here comes out through this hole. Alright. And then the last one, like I said before, was this up here. Alright. If you guys are wondering where this carbon fiber comes from, look up King of Carbon Fiber on Instagram. They're just stick-ons. So yeah. All right, next, there's 3 screws you want to worry about. There's one inside here, inside the door handle. All right, don't lose the screws. Other one's right here. And the last one's sitting right here. So that's all the prep work to take the door panel off. After that, you want to reach under here. There should be like a little hole, gap right here that you can pull under. If not, take a flathead and get into it. But all you gotta do is just pull. Whole thing come right off. You're gonna see that this part right here is connected. This is the door handle and the door lock. You just want to make sure, remember where it came from. The green was on the bottom and the white is on top. Okay. And then this right here, you wouldn't have this. It's because I have aftermarket lights in my door handles. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that. Otherwise, once you disconnect the window buttons and everything, it would just come right off. All right. So this is what the door looks like without the panel on it. The next thing you're gonna do is you wanna take this part off right here. So you wanna turn these little knobs right here. I figure it's ready to go, but you just need to turn them anyway. And then when you turn them, you're gonna pull. Pull like that. They're gonna pop out, just don't lose them. All right, and this comes out, and you hang it just like that. Just throw your parts inside there, don't lose them. So what you're gonna be looking at for the door handle is this right here. So the front 2 door handles, if you have the sensors in them, are gonna have like a plug right here that you need to disconnect. The back 2 door handles, all you need to do is take these 2 white parts right here, squeeze them together, and push them off that way. All right, and that's all you need to do, because at that point, your door handle will come right out. But because it has a sensor inside of it, it's not gonna come right out for the drivers and passengers. All right. So now you're wondering, well, how the hell do I get it out? In here, all you gotta do is push these 2 together and just pull, and then the plug will come out eventually. Okay. If you have a hard time trying to get it out, I would say get some gloves. As you see, my hands are all jacked up. Get some gloves. It's kind of tight in here, and squeeze it and try to do it for yourself. Do that. Door handle comes right out. Okay. I wouldn't advise shutting your door. But if you do, just let you know, if you shut the door and your handle's not on, all you have to do is stick it back in. That and open. Just so y'all know what I'm talking. I know what I'm talking about. You shut the door. There's no door handle. Stick this back into the groove, and you open the door back up. All right. So when you're wrapping the door handle, right? Now, I'm not no pro at this. Wrapping door handles is the first thing I ever wrapped in my life. All right. I already know you gotta clean this joint. All right. Hold on. I already know you have to clean it. So I'm gonna spray it with some alcohol. All right. This is very important because you want to make sure the wrap sticks on properly. All right. Microfiber, rub it, rub it, rub it. All right. Do it. So make sure you have yourself a heat gun. All right. Your wrap, and you want to need a knife, specifically this type of knife. All right. So the best way to go about this, because this is my last door handle, so I've done my plenty of mess ups already and figure out what I need to do. I'm gonna go ahead and take the wrap off. The plastic film is right above it. All right, and then you have the sticker. Like I said, I ain't no pro. Don't be in the comments trying to tell me, oh, you should have did it this way. I'll take any advice, but hey, I'm a beginner. It's still not perfect, but like I said, I have plenty of wrap to do it when it gets bad, when it starts to peel off my car or whatever, and just redo it. But yeah, this is what I got. So as you see, this is not no easy job. You know what I'm saying? People pay a lot of money to get this type of job done, or people charge a lot of money to do this type of work, and it takes time. It takes a lot of time and practice. So, all right. So here's the wrap. Door handle's wrap. Like I said before, to get the door back open. So what we're doing, disconnect it. You pin it back. You want to make sure that you're pinning the plug back in. So. I'm gonna put that plug back in. You hear some type of click, it's very subtle. You're not gonna hear it that much. You're gonna push this back in, you're gonna hear that click, and then these two right here, you're gonna put back just like that. At that point, the door handle's back on and it's good to go. All right. When you pin these back on, right here, green goes in the bottom. You're gonna make sure that you put the ball inside there. And then this part right here, this little ring around here, you're gonna put it in there like that. All right. Same for this one. Make sure that the door is locked, like physically locked. And then same thing, put the ball in and put that inside the groove like that.